Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. This is Chin Rodriguez, my Masagari channel, a faith healer, also mata reader. So ngayong hapon na to, tingnan natin ang sabihin sa iyo ng ating mga gabay. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Taurus. So, Taurus, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices ng spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kaya, kanino kayang energy o kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Taurus signs ang ating mahagalap. So guys, this reading is a general reading lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat po sa mga walang sawang pagsuporta sa aking channel, lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-i-skip ng ads. No way, pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal, siksik-liglig na umapaw na biyayang manubalik sa inyo. And of course, let's see what is the messages advice sa iyo ng ating angel spirit for the sign of Taurus. Angel Spirit messages given information. Now, this is the overall reading. And of course, mag-proceed tayo. Pagkatapos ng overall, mag-proceed tayo ng career, love life, and health. So, we have a new card no, for a Mystic Love Oracle. So, this is a new card na nagre-represent for love. So, nagdagan natin ang pinaka-emotions and of course, messages sa inyo. And we have information. And of course, we have a new card for money and career with a money move oracle deck. So, let's see guys, no? It's very exciting kasi uumpisa natin ang gagamitin ng bagong barahan natin. So, alamin na natin yan, tuklasin, bulabugin. This is a new card also. Additional messages. And of course, this is something, a chariot card. Movement, may paggalaw ng eksena, no? Pabilis ang eksena, unti-unti nang gumagalaw, no? Ang kapalaran for you. And because there's an information with the King of Wands, so something ambition, unti-unti mo nang nakikita, unti-unti mo nang nasisilayan ng unti-unting pagbabago. Ay, exciting to. This is a very adventure. This is the Queen of Swords with a vigor picture, no? Unti-unti mo na rin makikita yung posibilidad, no? Unti-unti mo na nga masisilayan ng mga kaganapan, no? Na ang pagbabago na mangyayari nawa. And of course, there's something at Ace of Coins. See, this is a big opportunity and big money. Oh my God! This is the Ace of Coins na nag-represent na success, wealth, and then of course, achievement. Okay. This is a material offer, guys. This is a material offer. Additional messages. And of course, there's an information with the King of Swords. Being wise. No? Stop the pattern. May mga bagay na kailangan iwasan ka. May mga bagay na kailangan itigil mo. No? Kailangan maging wise at listo ka dito. Additional messages. So, there's the Hierophant for a lesson learned. No? May mga bagay kang dapat matutunan. May mga bagay na dapat mo isalang-alang. May mga bagay na dapat mong pakiramdaman at alamin yung katotohanan. No? So, let's see what is the Chariot card. Represent the Temperance. So, this is the perfect timing for you. No? To moving forward. No? Kailangan mo ng kumilos, gumalaw, no? Kung ayaw mong mabulok sa sitwasyon. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mo may mabago, ngayon pa lang umpisahan mo na. And of course, there's a 7 of coin. Nag-represent the 7 of Pentacles. So, this is something at harvest time. A paying off. A harvest time, no? Kung mga sinasabi dito, ito na yung panahon, no? Unti-unti mo na makikita ang mga bagay na pinaghirapan mo, no? Additional message with the Queen of Swords. Queen of Swords represents 7 of Cups. So, this is a lot of opportunity coming in for you. Maraming oportunidad. Maraming mga options, no? Marami kang choices. So, ikaw ang gagawa ng eksena kung ano yung pipiliin mo na makakabuti sa career and of course, love life mo and of course, a life mo also, no? The Ace of Coins represent what? The Ace of Coin represent the 6 of Wands. For a victory is yours. No, itong material offer na to ay mapagtatagumpayan mo na unti-unti nang magkakaroon ng kasaganahan, no? Magandang bukas at karangyaan. So, there's a King of Swords with the Empress card for a revert, no? Magkakaroon ka ng new beginning here. No, and of course, at the same time, no, unti-unti mo na kung ano yung nagiging cause, no? Ng fertility loss or something fertility problem. No, kaya siguro hindi ka magkaanak or hindi ka mabuntis dahil ganito ganito, ganyan. Diba? Maaring mataba ka or maaring, ito ha, sorry guys, baka na-offend kayo doon sa words na yun, pero yun kasi yung totoo, no? Kaya kailangan nyo magpapayat, no? Eventually, guys, kailangan nyo rin ng hormonal balance, no? Kasi nagkakaroon dito ng something hormonal imbalance. So, eventually, kumbaga, baka mahilig kayo sa alak, mahilig kayo sa sigarilyo, na nagkukos ng imbalance for hormones, no? So, kailangan mo dito ng vitamins or something, a herbal tea na makakatulong, no, to boost your fertility like that, no? Mayroon dyan may kailangan kang inumin So, let's see what is the Hierophant. Represent the 5 of Wands. So, something competitors. Matuto ka na ha. Maraming taong kumakalaban sa'yo. Maraming taong, kumbaga, ayaw sa'yo, no? This is the 5 of Wands, so something complication. May taong gumagawa ng komplikasyon sa'yo, no? Kumbaga, matuto ka na sa mga pinagdaanan mo, ang nagsilbing, kumbaga, sa mga nakaraang eksena mo, kung itong tao na to nagsilbing anay sa eksena mo, kahit kailan magiging anay at ahas siya sa eksena mo. So, ibig sabihin dito, kahit magbalot kayo anyo yan, no? Yun pa rin ang kalalabasan ng eksena. Ang ahas ay ahas, ang traidor ay traidor, no? So, let's see what is the chart kanina, Temperance. Represent the 2 of Swords. So, there's an indecision, no? May mga bagay na hindi ka pa magpag-desisyonan ngayon. Pero eventually, unti-unti na yan na mag-i-improve yung knowledge mo. No? Yung intuitions mo. Mag-i-improve na rin yung ideas or yung mindset mo. No? Even your perspective. So, let's see what is additional messages with the King of Wands. And of course, the 7 of Coins. Represent what? With a 3 of Cups. So this is something a third party or something a celebration coming in for you, no? Maraming celebration. There's a socialize or something, circle of support or circle of friends, no? There's a something, connected with your person or your other person, other friend, gano'n. This is a third party. Na maaaring kaibigan mo to, kapatbahay mo to, na maaaring, kumbaga, unti-unti ka na mag-grow, no? Maaaring kasama mo tong kaibigan mo, no? How to invest, no? So, let's see. What is additional messages with the Queen of Swords and the 7 of Cups? So, this is the 4 of Cups by re-evaluate or analyze. May mga bagay na kailangang pag-isipan. No? May mga bagay na kailangang klaruhin. Okay, so there's an additional messages dito with Ace of Coins and the 6 of Wands. So there's a Knight of Swords. No, nagkakaroon ng anxiety, sleepless nights, no, dahil sobrang over-fatigue. No, over-fatigue, overuse na yung utak mo. Parang ganon. Kumbaga, dahil sa kagustuhan mong maabot kagad, no, minamadali mo na. So, eventually, guys, kailangan nyo dumaan sa tamang proseso, no? Kailangan nyo maging mahinahon sa pagkilos at paggalaw. Hindi pwedeng ura-urada, hindi pwedeng, kumbaga, diyan ka na lang nakatutok, no, sa eksena na yun. Kailangan, kumbaga, there's a balance, no, pagdating sa time mo. Additional messages with the King of Swords and the Empress card. So, there's a full card, no? There's a something, a leap of faith, no? Kumbaga, sinusubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo. May mga bagay na kailangan mo iwasan dito na nakakasama sa health mo. There's a something in new beginning here, no? Kailangan mo lang magtiyaga. No? May mga bagay na kailangan kang inumin, kainin na makakatulong for you, no? And of course, kailangan mo rin mag-diet. Not at the same time. There's something a Hierophant. And of course, the 5 of Wands. There's the 4 of Swords by something a rest, no? And something an intuitions, no? Kumaga tama yung iniisip mo, tama yung pumapasok sa inner voice mo or something, tama ito pumapasok sa intuition and instinct mo. But, especially, kumaga, hindi mo yun, kumaga, hindi mo iniisip, no? Parang, kailangan mo na matuto kasi paulit-ulit yung cycle na gano'n. So, ibig sabihin, kailangan mo nang tapusin yung mga ganong scenario or yung ganong sistema, no? The 4 of Swords is something rest. So, kailangan mo rin ng pahinga, nag-overfatigue ka rin dito at the same time. Additional messages about sa overall. For the overall outcome. So this is the 10 of cups with unhappiness, with a long-term success and long-term investment. So magkakaroon ka ng pangmatagalang eksena with the 8 of wands with a fast communication and fast movement. So ibig sabihin yan, bibilis ang takbo ng eksena pagdating sa finances, love, and career mo. So ibig sabihin, magkakaroon ka ng magandang bukas at magandang buhay dito. Additional messages about sa outcome. So this is the something hermit card. This is a spiritual enlightenment, spiritual awakening, a spiritual journey. It's all about spiritual, guys, ha. Kumbaga, sinusubukan ng pananampalataya at tiwala mo sa ating Panginoon na lahat na nangyayari sa buhay mo ay kailangan mo magdasal, magmuni-muni at kailangan mo i-surrender lahat ng mga bigat, no? Nang nangyari sa isang nakaraan. So let's see additional messages about sa career. Sa career mo with the Knight of Cups, so there's an offer, no? Offer para sa ibang bansa with the World card, no? Mari baka mga ibang bansa ka, mag-ibang, maaring mayroon dito offer with proposal, love life na pagdating sa person mo. Maaring connected kasi ang love life and career. So, ibig sabihin dito, maaring, kumbaga, pagdating sa career or finances mo, maaaring makatulong tong person mo sa'yo. Or maaaring, kumbaga, may offer with a kasal, o maaaring magkaroon ng proposal, engagement, no? Ay na higher level commitment. So, depende ito sa situation. So, kailangan mo raw mag-commit, no? Mag-commit ka raw dito. Additional messages with career. So, this is the King of Cups for devoted for the first. So, see? May susupport at gagabay sa'yo pagdating sa career mo. Additional messages about sa love life. About sa love life, so this is the something a justice card, karma, no? There is a something a balance and consequences. And because there is a Queen of Coin being practicality. Maging practical ka pagdating sa love life, ha? Kailangan mo pangalagaan ng protection and with a justice card. May hustisya, ha? Kumbaga sa likod ng mga nangyayari sa iyo, no? Kumbaga tutulan ka man, no? Pigilan ka man ng mga tao sa paligid mo. Talagang kayo at kayo talaga hanggang dulo with the 4 of Wands. So something a celebration, engagement, proposal, higher level commitment, no? Additional messages about sa love life, sa health. About sa health, so this is the 2 of Wands by choices. So see, piliin mo lang yung kakainin mo. Nakita mo yan? Iwasan mo yung maglalamon na. Char. Kailangan mo ng gulay-gulay, ha? And the Queen of Wands is something, stability, control, no? And the 6 of Coin, no? There's a balance. Kailangan mo maging balance sa mga pinagkakain mo. Nakita mo yan? Nakita mo yung kinakain niya, tapos parang lobo na siya. Maging balance ka with the whale, ha? Parang timbangin mo or kailangan mo ng timbangan para ma-assure mo kung ano yung nangyayari sa'yo pagdating sa health issues mo. Masyado ka ng shumushubis, ha? Additional messages about sa love life. Ito na, yung sinasabi ko, Mystic Love Oracle. So, this is a new card for Mystic Love Oracle. So, let's see. Anong eksena mo pagdating sa love life? Ito na. And of course, there's a home foundation. See, I told you, kailangan mo mag-commit pagdating sa relationship. And there's something, a karmic relationship na kumbaga, there's a toxicity. See, kumbaga, nanggaling kayo sa toxic na relationship, na or either, kumbaga, pagdating sa relationship nyo, may toxic, no? It's either a family-related or either a partnership. Additional messages. One more card, please. So, there's a soulmate connection, everlasting. So, ibig sabihin dito, soulmate kayo ng yung person. Ay, taray. Additional messages dito ng Money Move Oracle deck. Ito na. This is a new card for Money Move Oracle deck. So, let's see. This is a career and money reading. So, guys, let's see. Additional messages. So, there's a winning. Wow! Ipapanalo mo dito. And don't spend everything at once. And sooner or later, luck comes to everyone. So, talagang makakamit mo yung swerte. At sinasabi sa'yo dito, there is something wellness, no? Ensure your body and nourish, going a gym, and regain strength. Live a healthier lifestyle. So, kailangan nyo mag-exercise, no? Additional messages pa. One more card, please. Kumbaga, ang ganda ng reading, no? Ang ganda na nadagdag sa ating guys. Diba? Huwag kayong mag-alala. Papagandahin at pagagandahin natin itong mga pasabog sa inyo. And there's a home base. So, see? So, sinasabi dito, home is the harbor of the soul. It's the safe place you can be. Change your environment. So, ibig sabihin dito, pangalagaan mo yung nasa kapaligid, yung bahay nyo. Kasi may mga toxic na nasa paligid mo, guys. Marami kang toxic na kapitbahay, mga inggitera, mga ambisyosa, ganan. Additional messages tayo about sa magical fairy, about na muna sa magical fairy messages. Ang ganda, kabog. Let's see what is the magical fairy messages. And there is an autumn, no? So, ibig sabihin dito, this is something harvest time. I told you so. So, kailangan mo talaga ng, magkakaroon ka ng harvest time dito. And there is a dietary change. So, sige, I told you, kailangan mo mag-diet. And there's a pregnancy. See, I told you, kaya hindi ka magbuntis or something, nagkakaroon ng problema pagdating sa hormonal mo. Oh, diba? I told you so. So, let's see, what is Archangel Michael messages? Archangel Michael, so your children are watched over by angels. So see, kung may mga anak ka naman, no, ginagabay ng ating angel spirit. Or baka nagkakaproblema dito ha, pagdating sa, kung nagbubuntis ka naman, nagkakaanak ka naman, eventually baka magka-problema sa matres mo, ha, kaya kailangan maging aware ka. And there's something, use your imagination and you see the answer. Gamitan mo rin ng intuitions mo para makita mo mga kasagutan sa lahat ng katanungan mo. And there's a make a commitment. I told you so. Di ba kailangan mag-commit? Love, life, career, and finances. Additional messages about sa synchronicities. About sa synchronicities, let's see, guys. And there's a root. No? May ugat ng eksena. And there's a dreamer, no, nananaginip ka or may pangarap ka dito. And there's a joy na magiging maligaya ka at the end of the time. So let's see what is the yin and yang oracle card. For yin and yang oracle card, so this is additional messages. Yin and Yang Oracle card, please. So, there is a distance. So, some of you guys, no, may distansya or malayo kayo sa isa't isa. Maaaring nga sa ibang bansa ka, sa ibang bansa siya. Or either, kumbaga, nagkakalabuan kayo sa eksena na to. And there's a twin flame energy. No, maaaring twin flame kayo na person mo. And there's a soulmate. Di ba, pagdating sa love kanina, there's a soulmate. And there's a home, family, and commitment. See, there's a something commitment talaga. So, may commitment talaga dito. And there's a something home. Home. No, mayroon tungkol sa pamilya at tahanan. So, let's see. What is additional messages for chakra messages? For the chakra messages, let's see. And there is a gossip. I told you. Diba? Maraming marites, maraming chismosa sa paligid mo. Especially mga kapitbahay mo. And there's an isolations, no? Kumbaga, feeling mo sinusubaybayan ka, nakakulong ka sa sitwasyon. Mga toxic talaga, no? Kaya parang nahahata ka dito. There's an acceptance. Marunong ka tumanggap ng mga bagay na wala ka pa, no? Or hindi mo pa nakukuha. Or hindi para sa'yo. For the angel's answer, represent what? And there's a yes, no? May yes ang sagot dito. And there's a within the next few weeks, no? Ay, next few months, sorry. Sa mga susunod na buwan, magkakaroon ng mga pagbabago. And there's an opportunity, no? Maraming oportunidad na uulanin ka ng eksena dito. And there's a service. Some of you guys, no? Kumbaga public servant or maaaring services sa trabaho mo. And there's a humor, no? Like, kumbaga, tingnan mo yung lighter side of situation. Pagdating sa buhay mo, kumbaga, always think positive. And there's a change, no? May mga bagay na unti-unti na mababago. Monsology represent what? Prosperity lies ahead. So, ibig sabihin talagang paparating na ang kasaganahan sa iyo, ha? Additional messages with the Monsology. Hold your vision. Pangawakan mo tong nakikita mo. No? And a personal issue reaches resolution. Unti-unti na masusulat siya ng mga problema pinagdadaanan mo, guys. For the energy, represent what? And there's a broken heart. So, some of you, nasasaktan ka pa rin hanggang ngayon. And there's a contract. No? May kontrata dito. No? Maaaring magkaroon ka ng kontrata sa ibang bansa or kumbaga mag-sign of contract. Or there's a marriage contract. And there's something a blossoming abundance. Maaaring magiging masagana ka dito talaga, guys. For let's see what is the romance angels. For romance angels, represent what? And there's an attractions, no? You are being attracted to anyone. Or maaaring nga maraming nagkakagusto sa'yo. And there's something flirt na kailangan mong humarot dito if you are single, ha? Or kailangan mong haratin yung person mo. Additional messages with an angel spirit. And there's a release, transition, unti-unti na mababago ang lahat ng kaganapan sa buhay mo. And of course, there's a journey, no? Maraming kang tatahaking eksena dito. There's a travel and involvement. Additional messages. And because there's a stairs, no? There's something, a direction, a perfect timing. Talaga may ilalahad at may lalantad sa'yo lahat ng mga posibilidad mangyayari sa buhay mo. Magaganap na. Additional messages for Archangel Raphael. And there's a leave that stressful situation behind. So, kailangan mo pakawalan yung nagbibigay stress sa'yo, ha? Hindi mo kailangan dibdibin yan, day, kuya, ha? Hindi mo kailangan dibdibin yan. Additional messages. And there's a career change, no? Magbabago talaga yung career mo. Yung mga kinagisnan mong trabaho or negosyo, hindi yan, mababago yan. And there's a talk to your angels. Kailangan mo lang kausapin ang mga gabay mo. No, humingi ng gabay, ng information sa kanya kung ano yung mga bagay na kailangan mong gawin or yung may mga bagay na para sa'yo talaga, no? And of course, there is something I remember, no? Kumbaga, there's something soul plan, a fated life, and destiny life. To see, ang kapalaran talaga ang mag-a-adya talaga, no? Na mangyari nawa lahat ng mga bagay-bagay. Kumbaga, lahat ng mga, ang kapalaran at ang tinakda ay maaaring mangyari, no? And there's a you're not alone, so hindi ka nag-iisa. So, let's see what is a Jesus-loving quotes. For Jesus-loving quote said, "Blessed are the peacemaker, for there shall be called the children of God." No? Kumbaga, binibless daw yung mga taong hindi pinapatulan yung mga walang kabuluhang eksena, no? Kumbaga, yung mga binibless yung mga pinili yung katahimikan kaysa pumatol sa mga tao o mga sitwasyon na walang katuturan. For an angel's number, represent what? And there's a 23-23-4 endless cycle. No, tatapusin na to. Yung cycle pagdating sa eksena mo. No? There's some truth your resistance to accept over and over again until you're tired and restrained beyond depressions. It takes a decision to live life to yourself. Life is all about passion. Then you make a change and world around you follow. So see, kung maghahayaan mo mangyari, no, mahalin mo yung sitwasyon na kung ano man ang meron ka. The more na minamahal mo yan, the more na gaganda ang eksena at magtutuloy to yan ayon sa kagustuhan mo at papabor sa'yo, no? For let's see what is the messages of life. Messages of life represent what? The eyes of the heart. So, gamitin mo raw ang puso mo na para makita lahat ng mga bagay na hindi nakikita ng natural na mata, no? Today, I perceive the beauty, the real beauty of every person I meet. With the eyes of my heart, I see beyond the personality and focus on the energy of love that dwells beneath at the surface. I am the filled with the wonderful at the presence of God in every one of us. The eyes of the heart allow me to see the divine shining everywhere. So see, kumbaga unti-unti mong masisilayan ang mga magagandang pagbabago na magaganap sa buhay mo. Kaya maghanda ka sa pasabog at bulabog na mangyayari sa kaganapan sa buhay mo. Kaya manatili maghanda, na maging matalino sa mga desisyon at kumbaga magdasal, no, na may ilayo ka sa mga hindi magagandang eksena. So guys, this is the weekly gabay for the month of June 17 hanggang June 23 for the sign of Taurus. So, Taurus, maraming salamat for this wonderful reading. So, once again, this reading is a general reading lamang. Hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po ang makaka-relate sa inyo. And comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. Because don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit notification bell for more videos update. And of course, maraming salamat sa mga walang sawag sa sa aking channel. Lalo-lalo na ang hindi nag-skip ng adsaway. Pagpalain kayo ng Diyos at may kapal siksik digdig na gumapaw na biyay manabalik sa inyo. Maraming salamat po. And see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!